How's it? So we're gonna go over the Turkish Get Up. Turkish Get Up is really a total body movement that works on a lot of different things: hip mobility, shoulder stability, core control. It's a good movement assessment to see where you're tight, what's a little unstable, especially in the shoulders or your hip. And it's something that you should be able to practice over and over again. I'm gonna try to break it down really simple for you guys so you guys can just kind of take it as a progression, okay? But first, let me show you what a kettlebell get up or a Turkish get up looks like, all right? So we're gonna have one arm extended up, here, same knee up, and we're gonna come up into a sit-up position, nice and tall. From that position, we post up. This is the second position, is gonna post and bridge, okay? From there, we're gonna bring our foot behind us, standing straight up, here, and then we're gonna go halfway done. Now we reverse the movement. There, come back down again, post it up, hip out, come down, back to the start. That's one rep, okay? So instead of trying to do all those movements all at once, the whole exercise, just work on breaking it down and work on a progression until you stand all the way up, okay? So the first progression is just the sit-up part. So I try to tell people a good way to go about it is to do 3 reps at each position. So the first one is a sit-up, okay? So again, get into that position again, arm up. All we wanna do is do a sit-up. Now there are different ways that we can do it. We can just go straight up, switch the legs, straight up here, like a regular sit-up. Or if the kettlebell is heavy, right now this is a 15-pound kettlebell, okay? If it's a heavier one, then we can really just get towards one side, just to kind of help us up, okay? And then post up. So it all depends on what we're working on with here. Another cool cue I like to tell people, if you're just gonna do the strict sit-up, is to think of it as you're pulling yourself with a rope. So actively pull yourself up, with the rope, okay? And do like 3 reps there. Here, up, there. From that position, now we're gonna do a post-up. So we can just stand here, sit here, get in that position, hold that position, arm out to the side, okay? If I turn around, arm out to the side, bridge up, okay? Back down again, reverse, arm out to the side, bridge up, okay? That's the post position, okay? Sit up, post. Next is gonna be our kick through or kick behind, sit through, okay? From that position here up, now we're gonna get ready to put our foot behind here. This is a position where if you have really tight hips, you're gonna have a hard time going, accomplishing. So that's why it's good to practice those movements. Rather than just thinking that you have to do the whole exercise all at once to get the Turkish Get Up, gradually work your way up to it. So again, we're gonna go into that position here, come all the way up, sit up, post, bridge, sit through, and half kneel position. From there, you don't have to worry about standing up. Just go right back down. Reverse it now. Coming through, sit down, right back up again. So I usually tell people when you're trying to work on improving your Turkish Get Up, is to just work on those movements. Break it down, get really comfortable with that before you do the full rep of standing all the way up. Because right from there, when you get to that half kneeling position, in here, we just gotta stand up, okay? So that is how we can just slowly progress into accomplishing the full Turkish Get Up, where we're gonna go here, down, come all the way up, post up, bridge, half knee, tall, stand. Then we work on reversing. Going down, pop, post up, sit down, back, sit down. Whew, okay? So that's just a simple way or a simple breakdown. There's small intricacies that we can do to improve the total movement. But first, I want you guys to start practicing breaking down each sequence or each segment of the movement before you do the full exercise or full set or rep, whatever you want to call it, because it's a long piece of movement. So if you have any questions, ask below. If you guys want me to dive more into details about the smaller intricacy things, as constantly driving your arm with the weight into the ceiling, keeping your eye at the weight, just to keep everything in line. So let me know. Hope this helps. Aloha.